Well, hello friends, Mark Holmes here, and as always, I want to thank you guys for watching the Jobu Sports Report. And if you purchased or won one of our sports racks, I just want to give you a couple of tips on what to do with it. Now, what you'll get your rack, whatever color that you want it in. There will be some extra holes that are on the back of it. This is made so you can hang it, of course, like this if you want, or you can hang it like this. So what you're going to get with the kit is you'll get some of these hangers. I'll actually put an extra one in there. And you see this right here? These are attachments. And this has like a little barb that's on here. You know, it's not going to cut your finger like that, but if you put it on the floor and step on it barefoot, it'll cut you. But what you're going to do with this is, depending on which way you want to hang it, you're just going to take your screw, comes with a little screw, and you're just going to screw that on. Like so. See that? Now, what's going to happen is this is going to bite into the drywall, and these things hold like 25 pounds each. So when you put it on here, you don't have to worry about it coming off the wall unless you got some kids that are grabbing and trying to hang off of it. And it might even hold those too. But I'm going to take you downstairs and show you exactly how you hang one on the wall and how easy it is to put it on there. The great thing is these things will hold up tremendous amount of weight, and they're real easy to level up, and they won't move. Like if you got like a hallway step and all that, and your people are stepping on it and going up and down, it won't move. So with these two in here, it's going to bite into the wall. And when you want to take it off, all you got to do is lift up gently, it comes right up. Now, I do have a new rack here too, and this is actually our jersey rack. And see, you'll see how that's got a little angle in it. It's got a screw hole in there. So what's going to happen is you're going to take this and you're going to put it right into the hole, and you see it'll go flush where you're going to go flush with it. And there's a screw. Let's take a screwdriver and screw it right in there and lock it in place, so that way it looks like this. And then you can hang all your hoodies on here. And same thing, two holes here for your attachments. Real simple, real easy to do, and works out great. And so we're still working on developing different styles and things. And of course, Stuart, this one is yours. You can see that Cowboys blue and white. Oh, I love it. And of course, this one, boom, the silver, the blue, and the white. So we can do them in almost any color combination that you're looking for. And we're coming up with different styles and things. We've got, of course, the hat racks. We got the hoodie racks. We've got, of course, the shot glass, the beer glass racks, the mug racks. What's the little Funko? What are the little men doing? Okay, I've done one of those too. So we can figure out something. And we're working on a belt rack, because you know we're going to get that belt back. You know, Copizzle. You know we're going to get the belt back. And when it does, we're going to have a rack for it. Now, let's go downstairs so I can show you how to hang this thing. Okay, so we're in Jobu's hallway of fame. And I'm redoing all this. I'm still kind of reorganizing. This is kind of like the story of Jobu. I've got my Hall of Fame cabinet over there with all my really prized pieces and stuff. But I want to show you guys really how simple this is. So you see we've got our little hooks right here. See them? See if you can see those right here. All you're going to do is you're going to find out wherever you want to put it and line it up, okay, right? So you're going to hold it level, and all you're going to do is pull down slightly. That's it. Look. It's not moving side to side. Up. That's it. It's hung. That's it. Just like that. You want to take it off? Now listen, don't pull it off the wall. Don't pull it down. All you got to do is go up. There's a little slight mark right there. Can you see it? That's it. That's all it is to put up one of the Jobu racks. Just like that. Go up, pull down. That's it. And you're done. Well, you need some shot glasses to go with it. So if you order one, thank you guys for all the support and everything, and we'll make sure we have the attachments there ready to go, and it'll be ready to be hanging in your man cave. Thank you, as always. CowboyJobu.com for all your man cave needs. Peace.